Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the installing and running custom PHP in WordPress. Let's get started. Many ways to create website, and one of them you can use WordPress because WordPress is very familiar and you just can drag and drop, and then you can create website in fast time. And the problem, if you want to create PHP using code scripting, and then you want to insert this file PHP to your WordPress, maybe this is a little difficult, because if you have dashboard WordPress, you have many features in the live set, home, page, post, and anything, but you didn't have PHP feature. And in here I will explain you how to add or modify function your website suitable with your needs if in WordPress doesn't have feature or standard plugin. Okay, for the detail for this aim of installing and running custom PHP in WordPress, number one, we can add a special feature. If you have PHP file, you can add a special feature. For example, you can add function or feature calculator, booking system, or business logic particular if in WordPress doesn't have the plugin. Okay, if you have knowledge about the PHP coding, and then you create code you save in file PHP, you can add special feature to your WordPress. Next, the aim of installing or insert PHP file to your WordPress to integrating with other system. For example, if you want to connecting your WordPress to API external or the others database or to third party, you can use PHP file. You write some code inside of this file PHP. You can integrate your WordPress to other system. Next, the aim inserting PHP to your WordPress to modify workflow. For example, you want to change how WordPress processing data to manage the interface your website before static and then you want to make it dynamic, you can use PHP and are suitable with your checkout process in your e-commerce. Okay, if you have e-commerce website and the basic your website using WordPress and then you want to make your WordPress become e-commerce, so you need PHP file to create that. Next, the aim of installing PHP in your WordPress to optimize performance or security. Using PHP custom, we can create script caching automation, input validation, or security filter add-on. Okay, I hope you understand. For the aim, installing PHP in your WordPress, you can modify or add something feature to your WordPress. And how we can installing and running custom PHP in WordPress, we can do that in many ways. And for example, the way number one, we can using plugin code snippet. It is very secure for your beginner. And why is it secure for beginner? Because we didn't to think more and we didn't to change in file theme. And maybe if you didn't know about the file theme, you change or you modify code in file theme and you didn't know knowledge about this, it makes your website trouble. So you need code snippet, because if any code problem, your website still safe. But if you change in file theme editor in your website and you didn't know about this, maybe if any error code, it makes your website trouble. And the steps of this installing plugin code snippet is very easy. You just log into your WordPress admin and then you go to plugin, add new, and you can search name code snippet and then you can just click install and activate. After this plugin has been installed, you just open snippet feature and then add new. You can insert your code PHP and then save and activate your snippet. It is very easy for you using plugin snippet. it is easy for you or for beginner. Okay, next, if you have knowledge about the theme file editor, you can add code to function.php, and this location of this functions.php in theme file editor. If you have knowledge about this, it is okay. But if you are still beginner, I suggest you didn't do this because it is very tricky. And how we add code in function.php? Number one, you can log into WordPress admin, and then you can go to appearance, and then theme file editor, choose file functions.php, and then you can add code PHP in functions.php, and then you can save the changes. Okay, number one, you can using plugin snippet. Number two, you can add code in file functions.php and this location in theme file editor. Number three, we can create or we can custom plugin. If in plugin on WordPress we didn't find, we can custom plugin. And how we add custom plugin? Okay, you can open your WordPress in server, and you can create new folder. After you open new folder, and then you put your file PHP inside into new folder. Upload folder to server, activate plugin in dashboard, and you can running. Okay, I have explained to you about the aim of installing PHP in your WordPress and the ways of installing PHP to your WordPress using plugin, using theme file editor, or using custom plugin. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time, and goodbye.